Here is a statistic that should scare you. 90% of all retail traders lose 90% of their money in the first 90 days. But why? Most people come into this game thinking it's the easiest way to get rich quick. They treat the market like a giant ATM. You press a button and money comes out, right? Wrong. The market is not an ATM. It is a highly competitive arena designed to take money from the impatient and give it to the disciplined. When you lose, that money doesn't disappear. It goes to someone smarter than you. The reality, think about it. You wouldn't try to perform surgery without years of medical school. That would be crazy. But in trading, people open an account on Monday and expect to be professional traders by Friday. That is gambling, not trading. The 90% fail because they are focused on the wrong thing. They focus on the money. The 10% who succeed, they focus on the process. Trading is not a sprint. It is a marathon. It's about survival. If you can protect your capital, the profits will eventually come. Your number one job isn't to make money. It is to not lose money. Defense wins championships. So, if you want to be in the top 10%, stop trying to get rich today. Start trying to get better today. It usually starts with beginner's luck. You win your first trade, and suddenly you think you are a genius. Your brain releases dopamine. It feels amazing. You think, if I can make $50, I can make $5,000. So, you bet bigger. You ignore your rules. You think the market owes you money. And that is exactly when the market humbles you. The loss isn't just financial, it destroys your confidence. This creates the cycle of doom. Win, get confident, bet big, lose everything, repeat. This is where the 90% live. To break out, you have to stop trying to be a winner and start being a risk manager. The path to the top 10% is boring. It's structured, it's slow, but it is the only way up. Accept that you know nothing. Leave your ego at the door. The market pays for your discipline, not your opinion. Outro. Now that you know the trap, let's fix your biggest weakness. Next up, we are going to kill the FOMO virus.
Please subscribe so you don't miss it. Hit that subscribe button. Thanks for subscribing.